Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Shopee error checkout S13. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you actually fix this issue in Shopee? Well, the first thing you need to do here is you need to make sure that you have a stable interconnection. Sometimes not having a stable interconnection can affect on how you actually use the app itself. So in this case, if you're using your mobile data, switch to a Wi-Fi connection, or if you're using your Wi-Fi connection, switch to a mobile data and see if that solves the issue. Now in this case, if that doesn't solve the issue, there are still ways to actually fix this issue. So one of them is to ensure that you have the latest version of the app itself. Typically, you just need to visit the Google Play Store and search for Shopee, and if you see a button that says update, make sure to click on it to have the latest version installed into your mobile device. Now in this case, if you are unable or you finish updating your Shopee here, all you need to do next is to test if that solves the issue. Now if that does solve the issue, the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you clear the cache on your mobile app. Now to do that, press and hold on Shopee. From here, go to app info. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to go to the clear data at the bottom right of your screen. Now from here, click on clear cache, click on OK. And from here on, go ahead and open up Shopee and see if that solves the issue. Now, in this case, if that doesn't solve the issue, well, the last thing that we could do here is to contact support, because most cases you will need assistance on fixing this issue. So first things first, go to Shopee. From here, go to the Me tab at the bottom right of your screen. From here, what we need to do is you need to scroll down a bit until you see the section here that says Chat with Shopee. So let's go ahead and click on it. Now on this page, it's going to download some data. So in this case, it's going to download the Pixie app or the chatbot here. But in this case, you just need to ask assistance on fixing this issue on your checkout. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.